Hello and welcome by a new episode of the Immortal Vegan. I am the chef today. My name is grimarthar ceikeverjn. Today I make a wok with tomatoes, mushrooms, zucchini, spring onion, pickle, black pepper, Maggi, and soy sauce, sweet soy sauce. First thing I will do is put the cooking plate on and scramble mushrooms. Let's just cook for one minute. Then put the pickles, the spring onion, and the zucchini in the pan with the mushrooms. Put it together. Put a little bit of Maggi to it. After that, a bit of soy sauce and alright. If this all been cooked, you can take it with a little bit of rice, and you can put the cooked vegetables on top of one side of your bowl, and the juice you can also use over the rice. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and forget not to subscribe. I see you next time. Pop the fire up.